the world has woken up to the understanding that all these synthetic toxic chemicals hiding inside of our foods are not actually doing us any benefit. The only benefit of synthetic chemicals inside our food is the companies who are producing the food and the profits they're making, right? It's not doing you and your family a benefit to be eating synthetic toxic chemicals that parade as whole foods. You get the most benefit from eating whole foods. And why is that? And this is now the whole point of this conversation. Stop counting calories to lose more fat. When you eat an apple, let's say, an apple by itself has intelligent cofactors already built into that apple. The apple itself was a living organism prior to being plucked off that tree and shipped in a truck and now sitting on your, kitchen counter. That apple was a living organism. Inside of that apple is a wide variety of cofactors. Those cofactors aid in digestion. They aid in nutrient transport. They aid in the satiety signal, which is the signal that tells your brain, hey, I'm completely nourished right now. I don't need more calories. Synthetics don't have that signaling mechanism. And in fact, most foods are created to erase the satiety signal. Once you pop, you just can't stop. Does that sound familiar? Of course it does. That is the moniker of nearly every R&D department in every major food conglomerate. They simply want you to eat more and more and more and more. So they remove the satiety signaling molecules from these foods so you don't feel full. The whole point of this conversation is to tell you, to remind you, to beg you to start eating single ingredient, healthful, whole foods. Single ingredient, healthful whole foods have sustained all of life on this planet since the dawn of time. Single ingredient, healthful whole foods have all of the vital micronutrients necessary to fuel every cell inside your body. And people forget you are a cellular organism. You are not a math table. You cannot math the human body. You must think first about biology. Right? We think in terms of biology. And when we say eat single ingredient, healthful whole foods, we are ensuring the biology of your body is being addressed.